Toyota's replacement for the A80 Supra was unveiled at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show. The long-awaited successor to the legendary 1993 Supra are built by Toyota's performance branch called Gazoo Racing. The new A80 Supra has a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, an active chassis and a suite of driver assistance technology. Prices start from £52,000, with the range topping A90 edition costing £57,000. All of the 900 models built for the UK and European markets in 2019 has already been sold. The next batch of cars are due to arrive in 2020. For the time being, all European Supras are fitted with a BMW-sourced turbocharged 3.0-litre straight-six petrol engine, producing 335 bhp and 500 Nm of torque. All models are rear-wheel drive, and are fitted with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, providing a 0 to 62 mph time of 4.3 seconds. The new Supras features an active differential, operated by a dedicated control unit. The system monitors everything from steering, throttle and brake inputs, to engine speed and chassis yaw rate. It then adjusts the torque vectoring between the rear wheels accordingly to provide maximum grip. The new Supra has been developed alongside the new BMW Z4, with the German firm's influence being most apparent inside. The cockpit is unashamedly constructed from BMW's parts bin, with the digital dash, gear lever, climate controls and iDrive click wheel being lifted from the new Z4. Two specs will be available from launch. As standard, the Supra comes with a set of 19-inch alloy wheels, high-performance brakes, adaptive dampers and a range of adjustable driving modes. Other features include dual-zone climate control, LED headlights and a choice of bold paint colors, with Toyota offering a palette of red, yellow and blue, as well as a matte grey finish. Supra Pro models, which are expected to account for the majority of UK sales, are priced from £54,000 and feature black leather upholstery, a premium 12-speaker JBL stereo system, a head-up display, a wireless phone charger and a range of storage and interior lighting additions. Toyota recently confirmed that two 4-cylinder versions of the Supra have been developed for the Japanese market, but whether or not they'll make it to Europe is yet to be confirmed. The Supra SZ and SZR both has a turbocharged 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Japan's base model Supra SZ produces 194 bhp, making it slightly less powerful than a GT86. This lack in horsepower are compensated by an extra 100 Nm of torque, with a total figure of 320 Nm, which allows a 0 to 62 mph time of 6.5 seconds. The SZR gets a software upgrade, boosting power to 254 bhp and 400 Nm, and cutting the 0 to 60 time to 5.2 seconds. The Supra's styling has remained almost entirely faithful to the GR Supra racing concept from the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. Of course, some of the car's body panels have been toned down slightly for the production variant, and the concept's rear wing has been removed completely. Toyota claims it's been inspired by the legendary Toyota 2000 GT, retaining its long bonnet and double bubble roof. The Supra's various vents are functional, engineered to achieve optimal aerodynamic performance and near-perfect front-rear weight distribution. What does the new Toyota Supra have to beat? Post your thoughts in the comments section below.